this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix X or Twitter not logging in and showing login error. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your credentials. Make sure the email and the password is correct. Also, you can click on the option forget password and reset your password. Sometimes the issue is as simple as an outdated or incorrect login session. Next up, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network is one of the most common reasons login errors happen. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router to refresh the connection. Next up, completely close the app and reopen it. This helps clear temporary glitches that may be blocking the login issue. After restarting, try logging in again. Next up, check for app update. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app X. Now, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. If none of these solutions work, you can use browser like Chrome, Safari instead of the app. Lastly, if you have enabled VPNs or ad blockers, you can disable them as these will interfere with authentication servers. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. You should be able to log into X or Twitter. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.